everybody, it's Grandma C. We just stopped at the Dairy Queen because they have a red velvet cheesecake blizzard. And that's what I've got right here. Look at this. It's got pieces of red velvet cake and it has cream cheese in the ice cream. This should be quite something. Let's try it. Wow. Well, I like it. I would finish the whole thing, but we just had lunch, so I don't want to eat the whole thing right now. But we're here with my best friend, and today is her birthday. So everybody say hi to Dee.
Hey, everybody. Hey, I'm with C, Grandma C.
So anyway, we celebrated birthday. We went out for lunch, and now we stopped to try this delicious cake blizzard. So you all take care, and we'll talk to you soon.